Number 1, which of the following numbers has the digit 3 in a place value position that is 10 times the value of the digit 3 in this number? Number 2, how is the following number written in standard notation? Number 3, write the following number in standard notation, 4 7/700. Number 4, how is the following number represented in written notation? A, 104,007,080,009. B, 104,007,080 and 900ths. C, 104,007,080 and 9/10ths. D, 104,007,080 and 9/10ths. Number 5, a total of this many people watched a football game on television. Which of the following has the same value as this number? Number 6, what number represents point M? Number 7, write the following number in standard form, 316 and 900ths. And number 8, which number has an 9 with a value of 900ths?